Hello, students, parents, and educators. I'm Josh Oakes with smartsocial.com, and in this video, our goal is to have fun with the devices that we're using. We're going to look at the positive effects of social media and lessons that students can learn from, and parents, you're along for the ride as well. We're so excited. Let's dive on into what we're going to learn. So first of all, this Smart Social resource, you're in preview mode, you're not quite logged in yet, it gives our VIP members, once you're logged in, lots of videos you can show students at home or in the classroom. Now, several of these student-friendly videos are perfect to be shown in the classroom as a part of your digital citizenship curriculum at home, as a family, or even at school. You can also start a conversation with your students as they watch and learn from other students why they like social media. So this isn't just parents talking to students. There's real students you're going to see here. Let's hear a snippet of what one of our students told us.
Just think about it before you actually post it, because once something is out on social media, it's going to be out there forever. You may delete something, but it's still going to be out there and people are still going to be able to see it. My parents both.
We have several students just like this who basically dialogue about what they've learned, how it works, how they have fun online. You're going to hear more students just like this in our video lesson. And then you can download the Smart Social worksheet and invite your students, parents, and everybody else to reflect and talk about why they like social media, what they think the positives are online. In fact, that's what we do at Smart Social. We say social media is amazing. The apps are great, Instagram, TikTok, but here's the caveats. And we work towards those caveats so we can be safe. Now, here's what we're going to cover. In this next student-friendly set of videos and worksheets for this resource, we're going to cover why should students shine online? And that's really our big thing, as you can see on our logo on our website. We have a future plan for your kiddos and the students, and we treat them like young adults. We want to make sure that they're planning for their future dream career, job, and everything else. Now, why should students shine online? Well, I provide our proven 3 steps that students can start using today to make their social media positive. We look at examples of real-life students using social media with a positive purpose instead of just a pastime, and we let students reflect on how they can use these ideas with their own Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, Twitter accounts. Parents, you can even use some of these tips on your personal Facebook account if you want to shine online. We really work towards what does it look like to brand yourself so when others find you, you look great. Okay, the student-friendly videos in addition are great not just for students, but parents and educators as well. You're going to see some social emotional learning resources in there, all kinds of great things. But in addition to that, we have even more expert tips and resources just for adults. You can use what you're about to see in a parent night back to school event as well. Educators, if you're trying to plan resources about this, in this resource, in this lesson, you're going to hear from 3 experts with backgrounds in counseling, law enforcement, and a PhD who does a lot of social media research. They give their answers to these questions, and it's a bunch of back to school stuff. So first of all, what are some tips for going back to school with social media? What are some issues when going back to school for social media? How can students use their apps in a productive manner? What are some apps that students might be using in a positive way that parents don't really know or understand? What can students do to minimize screen time addiction? And what can parents do to set expectations for social media for their students? Let's hear a sample of one tip from one of our experts on this next screen.
I think there's so much about social media and kids' online world that we just don't understand as parents, but it's really important for us to be educated on what they're doing so we can also educate them on some ideas and topics that maybe they're not as familiar with.
Dr. Perlman's amazing. She has an incredible book out. You're going to love her in this program. To view all these video lessons and download the student worksheets, visit smartsocial.com and log in with your VIP account. If you aren't a VIP member yet, you can roll over programs at the top, but what's even better is contact your school or district to see if they have a Smart Social partnership with us yet. If they don't, they can have a complimentary conversation to see how all this works. We love working with our school districts and handing out these resources to parents complimentary. Once you're logged in, click the Member Resources button in the top right, and it will give you access to everything. Hey, I'm Josh Oakes with smartsocial.com, here to help your family be safe on social media so they can get their students into a future trajectory to shine online for their future dream career and everything else. We want to let your students discover their strengths, their passions, how to be safe online, and tie it all together I'm so honored that you would be here with us. If you're a school district, let's chat. If you're a student, enjoy the videos. And if you're a parent and educator, reach out, let us know what you think. Thanks so much. We'll see you soon. Have a great day.